The Philips Hue Bridge Pro has arrived. Everything you need to know. Get ready to revolutionize your smart lighting experience. Philips Hue has officially launched the highly anticipated Hue Bridge Pro, and it's packed with powerful upgrades that promise to transform your connected home setup. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this leap forward really necessary, or just a flashy upgrade? Let's dive into the details and find out. After months of leaks and rumors, more persistent than a rainy weekend in Wales, Signify has finally pulled back the curtain on the next-generation Philips Hue Bridge Pro. This new model replaces the second-generation bridge that debuted nearly 10 years ago, marking a significant milestone in smart home technology. The announcement came during Signify's major pre-IFA event in Berlin, following a brief accidental reveal on Hue's own website last month. So, what makes the Hue Bridge Pro such a game-changer? Here's a comprehensive look at its standout features. Unmatched processing power. At the heart of the Hue Bridge Pro is the brand new Hue Chip Pro, which boasts a quad-core Cortex processor running at 1.7 GHz, alongside a hefty 8 GB of eMMC flash storage and 8 GB of RAM. To put that into perspective, the original 2015 Hue Bridge had a mere 16 megabytes of memory. Yes, megabytes, not gigabytes. This means the new Bridge Pro offers roughly 5 times the processing speed and 15 times the memory capacity compared to its predecessor. For users, this translates into smoother, faster performance and the ability to handle more complex smart home tasks without breaking a sweat. Support for more devices than ever. If you've ever felt limited by the number of devices your Hue Bridge can manage, the Pro model is here to change that. It supports up to 150 lights and 50 accessories simultaneously, along with a staggering 500 customizable scenes. This is a massive jump from the older Bridge's limit of 63 devices, allowing you to expand your smart lighting network to levels previously thought impossible. Imagine controlling every light in your home, from the living room to the garden, all seamlessly integrated. Flexible connectivity options. One of the most user-friendly upgrades is the Bridge Pro's ability to connect over Wi-Fi, in addition to the traditional Ethernet connection. This means you're no longer tethered to placing the bridge near your router or an access point, giving you much more freedom in where you install it. Don't worry though, Ethernet hasn't been abandoned. The Bridge Pro still includes a port and comes with a cable in the box for those who prefer a wired connection. Plus, powering the device is now easier thanks to a USB-C port, a welcome modern touch that simplifies setup. Seamless migration for existing users. For those already invested in the Hue ecosystem, the transition to the Bridge Pro is designed to be hassle-free. A new migration wizard within the Hue app allows you to transfer all your existing lights, accessories, settings, and scenes with just a few clicks. This means no need to start from scratch or reconfigure your entire setup. Additionally, before the year ends, Signify plans to release a merge tool that lets you combine multiple older Hue bridges into a single Bridge Pro, streamlining your smart home management even further. Introducing Motion Aware. Smarter lighting without extra sensors. Here's the part most people miss. The Hue Bridge Pro introduces a groundbreaking feature called Motion Aware. By using the Bridge Pro alongside at least 3 Hue bulbs in a room, your lights can detect motion without the need for separate motion sensors. This is made possible by the Bridge Pro's secondary vector processing unit, which runs sophisticated algorithms to interpret interference patterns, essentially recognizing when someone moves between rooms. Remarkably, Signify claims that 95% of existing Hue bulbs will support Motion Aware through a simple software update, since the intelligence comes from the Bridge Pro itself, not the bulbs. This innovation makes setting up automations incredibly straightforward. Lights can automatically turn on as you enter a room and switch off when you leave, enhancing convenience and energy efficiency. It also adds an extra layer of security when paired with Hue Secure setups. Availability and pricing. The Philips Hue Bridge Pro will be available for purchase later this month, directly from Hue's official channels. It's priced at $89.99 in the United States and £79.99 in the United Kingdom, positioning it as a premium upgrade for serious smart home enthusiasts. So, what do you think? Is the Hue Bridge Pro a must-have for anyone invested in smart lighting? Or is it an overhyped gadget that most users won't fully utilize? Could the motion-aware feature signal the end of dedicated motion sensors? Or are there limitations to this approach? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below. Let's debate the future of smart home technology together.